I'll just respawn at the base.
Oh, there you go. And plus, that was not him. That was his marker.
Oh, that was your marker.
Once again, we made the mistake.
Okay.
Anyway.
So
So,
you have the hat. Oh crap!
What?
I dropped all that stuff because I died.
Just like a fruit pounder.
Off I go. Why is? Oh yeah.
I'm just gonna follow you like a creep.
Oh,
So
man.
you remember that dead body I found?
Yeah.
It had a badge on it, so I threw the badge in. And then I'm like, okay, I think I need to head back now. There's a spider up ahead. Oh, that's a stink bug.
I'm all geared up.
Yeah, walk away. Anyway, so yeah, I completely forgot I put the badge on and didn't have my tuft, and I hopped off the sandbox thinking, oh, I'll just tuft down. Yeah, that didn't work out so well.
Yeah. Speaking of which, I just used my tuft up. Oh.
I have Bombardier. You can leave me be. I'm just running by.
But yeah, so the Ojo not only does the switch, but it also has an HDMI port. It also has 2 USB ports and a there's another port that I'm not remembering for some reason. But there's 4 different other ports. So I literally just taken an HDMI cable for my Xbox, and I got that connected to the Ojo at night when I'm about to go to sleep. Because I don't have a big screen in my living room anymore because I had to move everything.
Crazy, are you just going up the thing, or?
I'm just roaming around.
Okay.
Are you already up the?
I'm already at the rock, so I'm heading back to the base.
Oh, I'll head back to the base now then. I'm just kind of messing around.
Arrow stack size.
We had enough to get everything up to even. So we're at 2 max consumables, 2 max resources, and 2 max arrow. Everything's even for group stuff.
Yep.
So
Because we found 2 today, so that was nice.
yeah. Yep.
Alright, where am I? Is that the... Did I pass the base? Oh no, I'm right at the base.
Whatever, wherever, we'll always be together. Okay.
Raw science.
So we're gonna be short.
Shinobi sneeze.
We're gonna be
still
short
short?
on a couple pincers.
Yeah. Charcoal. We can get the charcoal canteen and the torch now. Which,
Safety
honestly,
first.
the charcoal canteen is definitely worth it.
Nice and safe.
It is.
Eh.
Sorry, but
You like
might
it.
not.
I just...
I like it because you can literally put whatever water in there whenever, and like all the nasty water and anything that you want to, and it will fucking give you pure water.
Right, you can get water from any water source on the ground
Well,
and anything.
I want to
Exactly.
build a poncho.
It has its uses. Like it has usage amount, so you can only use it so many times like that.
Yes, but you
Would
can
make a
repair it
poncho
as
if
well.
that works.
Yeah, either one.
Okay.
And trash the stack acid glands.
Okay.
I don't know where there would be a tooth here. Don't understand that part.
I need to eat first. I am low on hunger and thirst.
Okay.
Kill one
it's
more
getting-
antlion.
Okay, it's getting farther
Uh,
away, so it's somewhere over here, over here. Okay, so it's over this direction.
It's no lemon crime, but it's better than nothing.
God damn it. Oh, wait a minute. Well, apparently where it's at somewhere.
Nope, that's the wrong direction.
Oh, wait.
Voila.
Oh, spider time.
Where is this so cold? It's a pebble. Aha! Yeah,
Hey, found another one.
yes.
I don't want any trouble.
All I had to do was follow my nose.
Why is it when I need food, they never are around?
Wherever, whenever. Sorry. Motherfucker.
What the? Stupid Clover, get out of the way.
Fuck me, fuck me, fuck me. Get the hell out, get out.
Sounds like somebody's having some issues.
Son of a bitch. You
Pour me a drink.
stop talking shit.
Eat or die in 100 and
fuck.
some seconds.
Oh god, get the hell away from me. Ow! Get the hell out of here! You're about to die!
We're all
Oh,
gonna
shit.
die.
Do I have anything to eat? I don't. Okay, I have a sliver of health.
So you
I'm
know
not
what I've been playing this weekend? PSVR 2.
Wait, what?
Said I've been playing PSVR 2 this weekend.
PSVR 2?
PSVR 2.
What the heck is that?
The PlayStation Virtual Reality.
And PlayStation
Oh!
VR.
You mean the thing that I bought
Remember-
you for your wedding?
Yeah! You got me the first one.
Yeah.
Now number 2 is out.
Ah, okay, gotcha. Yeah, I got him the first PSVR for, I think it was Oblivion, was it? That was on there, or was it Skyrim?
Skyrim.
Skyrim, okay, yeah. Unbeknownst to me, he already had the fucking game in 2 other versions before that.
Oh, Skyrim? I own Skyrim on about 9 different platforms. Let's be real.
Oh, so it's now up to 9.
Well,
I mean,
on. Well, the wife doesn't help too, because she's got one on Xbox 360 and I got one on Xbox 360. So we both bought it before we got together, so we have 2 of the same game there.
Right.
Yeah. So I had
That's
the
a wolf spider.
360. Yeah, there's a wolf spider that wanders the sandbox.
Ooh.
I found
I
that
see
out.
what you mean about the problem of the position.
Huh?
That the problem with the position of the thing.
Oh yeah, how when you go up it hits the ledge. Just needs to be moved
Yeah.
over a little bit. So if you want to destroy the rope and then just move it, so it's closer to the edge, that would probably fix it.
And I'm about to break. Everything you say to me
Takes me one step closer to the edge.
and I'm about to break.
Crawling in my skin.
Oh,
The
okay.
pincers are
I
not
did
easy
not
to
mean
get,
to
are
do
they?
that. Okay.
What about what?
The pincers are not easy to get, do they?
No. They're a more rare item.
Oh, I'm about to die.
This is awesome!
This is like Queen Antlion, evidently.
Oh, the ones in the holes?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're a little harder to kill.
And now a spider joined the fight. This is fun.
Yeah, if you've got a spider in there, I would take off running right now. You're not going to be able to take both those on right now.
No, I definitely ran away. But I am like 5 seconds away from dying here. And I didn't bring any health because I'm not smart. I thought I was going to have to fight like one and be done. Yeah, I'm not fighting you either.
They throw things, so watch the ants flying at you. There, I dropped a
Alright.
first aid on the ground. It's rolling.
Thank you.
It works just fine the way it is now.
Awesome. Thank you. I meant to do that. I just got distracted.
Thanks.
Yeah, nope, it's not a problem. I had nothing else to do, so.
Hammer.
Although,
Hammer time.
I do wonder if we should just make them go back to the baseball. Seeing as how we're up here. But I don't think it would make it all that way. I really don't. Because
don't
we
know.
were having so many problems with the one that we had up here when we had a platform house.
Yeah,
So, I don't-
grass was always getting in the way.
Exactly, so I don't think that's going to be a thing that's going to help, so...
Where'd he go?
Never mind. Although, I will, while I'm up here, find some stuff to eat and drink.
Alright, we got a pincher. Yay. Thanks, bud.
Yeah,
I'm out.
I came for good luck.
You did. Second you got over here, we killed one and boom, had what we needed.
Yeah, throw those ants at me. These guys in the holes, once you kill them, the ground underneath them will fall out and there's actually caves underneath them.
Oh, really?
With some good stuff down there usually.
Nice.
That's where I got one of the gold tooths earlier.
Is there a good way to get down from here? Just fly down.
I just remembered something. We never went into the fucking box, did we?
The what?
The lunchbox.
No, yeah, there was a tooth down there that I've kept telling you every time I went by. I was like, why haven't you got that yet?
Well, number one, I don't remember you saying any. Number two, I remember you saying it. Literally.
I plead the fifth.
So, here we go. We're gonna go over here and we're going to Yumpus and Jumpus. Okay. Hey, what the? You get the hell out of here! The hell?
Did you find a bee friend?
Apparently, he did not like me going into the freaking thing.
There's
I
nothing
barely
down here
have
I
any.
want. You get to survive.
I barely have any freaking whatchamacallit life. How am I supposed to survive this?
Hopefully he gets stuck on a wall and then you can just wail at him.
That's not happening.
It said hopefully.
Ow! Fuck!
Give me a second. I'm
Yeah,
coming. I'm coming.
I'm
coming.
about
Just
to
survive.
die.
Just block and
about to
survive.
die.
Block and
I'm
survive.
nope. I'm not gonna be able to do that. He made me bleed. Yep, there it is. That's fucking bullshit. God damn it.
Well, I'm about to the zip line so I can give you a hand up if I get up there in time.
Oh.
Well, he's stuck in here now. What the fuck? 15
I need to
seconds.
repair my dagger too.
11 seconds.
Lemon law.
8
Okay.
seconds.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Goodbye, cruel world.
I just got onto the lunchbox.
I'm gonna respawn
die,
at fuel
cruel
station. He gets some right here. I'm right here.
There's the bee. Like, where did he go?
Morton was
Guess what, guys? I have everything I need.
listed. It's all still here.
Yeah.
So 3 hours later,
Come attack.
here we are.
And then once he's got his stuff. Oh, you're leaving me down here. That's what you're doing.
Well, I was just getting the milk more. I was putting my priority straight.
I mean, I killed a few earlier, so I don't need you to help me kill him, but it would be nice.
We need some food back here at the base. We got squat.
That's a pretty cute
No,
lady.
yeah. I had to go find my food to bring with me to come help you. There's a second one on the outside. Did you see his antenna through the wall?
Ow. No. Oh, I do. We're good. I don't know what happened with that, but okay.
Poison?
Now I'm pretty sure that there was a scabby in here, wasn't there? Or was it just this juice box?
I think just the juice box? Yeah,
Really?
the daggers do poison. So, poison died. There's a ton of them trying to fly in here from the outside. That's annoying.
Yes, it is. Get the hell out of here. Oh, it was the gum. That's what it was.
Oh,
That's
gum
the
up there.
extra thing. Yeah, that's the extra thing.
Done, Geronimo.
I don't know why you went that way.
Because I'm going to the base.
Uh,
I need to heal and get some repairs on my dagger.
I'll come over then too.
Might as well join the party.
Say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say Geronimo, say
Record skip.
Geronimo. Can you feel my love?
Record volume 9.
Bombs away, bombs away, bombs away. By the way, that's actually how the song goes. It's not a record skip. I'm not even joking. I wish I was. But for whatever reason, that song is just too damn catchy for me. Because it's like that borderline. It's like Killers borderline rock. You know what I mean?
Mm.
Like that borderline techno-ish type of rock and roll that you like to hear. No stink bug. No stink bug. Oh,
Yeah.
that's a stink bug in front of me. There too. Ooh, we got going. Oh no, and now son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Gotta go.
Alright, guys, I got a whole bunch of food, hopefully, so we can get. Add here.
I'm skipping all over the place. Laggy, skaggy, paggy. God damn it.
And I was just upgraded my internet, so as host, you shouldn't be having that issue.
By the way, that band is called Shepherd. You wanted to know. Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. You.
Okay, so
Dante's surprisingly
Our
not
goal.
terrible.
right now is trying to get up that charcoal pit, right?
I already did.
For everyone to get up the charcoal pit, right?
There you go. There you go. There you
Yeah.
go. Yep.
That's one thing I said I was going to do and I forgot. Can you make this without the bench? You are correct. You have to have it in the bench.
I thought so.
There. My spider dagger's level 2. Food. I needed food.
Alright, I gotta step away for a quick second.
Okay. Putting stuff away.
Yeah, I have some more antlion parts or something. And spicy shards.
Spicy shards.
Yep, I've been finding them. And I found some bones in a chest, so you can actually make the bubble helmet without us finding another bone. I'm gonna take one of those. So I can do this. Spicy safety. I think you only need 6 spicy to get the spicy safety max out, but I can't remember. I think it's 1 and 5.
I don't remember. Yeah, I think you're right. I think it was the same with the mints.
No, it meant you needed 16 because there's 3 levels to that one. I remember that.
Oh, was it 6 as the second one then? Was that what I was thinking? Like 1 for the first one so that you get started, and then
Yeah,
6
it's-
for the second one, and then... Or
No,
5
it's
for the
1,
second one to
5,
get to
10.
6, and then 10?
Yep.
Yeah, that's what it was, yeah. 1, 5, 10, yeah. That makes sense.
So I just ate the mint. Yep. So that, yeah, there are 3, and it's 1, 5, 10 for that, and then it's 1, 5 for the spicy safety.
So do we even have enough to even get us to 1 level on all those?
To level 1? Yeah, we have 33 pieces of mint.
Okay, so yeah, we we can at least get us to level 1 on that, and then
That's what I just did.
But the other
And
one-
I already ate mine, so I have level 1 on both of those. Just so I can get those
oh, so
started.
do we have enough for the spicy as well?
Yeah, we have 8 pieces of spicy that I've been picking up.
Okay, sounds good. Then that'll be the thing that I'm going to do. I'm away from my controller right now, but I will do that. Hold on.
Yeah.
I am back.
Okay.
Okay. We've been having
Where's this
conversations.
to-
I'll be right back.
Okay. Alright. I don't have to be anywhere except for where I'm at. Alright, so Chris,
Hi, sir.
um, in this big chest, the one that's right here that makes the L shape,
Okay.
take 1 spicy shard out of there and eat it.
1 spicy shard.
Yes, just 1 singular one.
Okay, and eat it now.
Yes,
Whoa.
that'll get you a new mutation started.
Spicy safety.
Um,
1 of
yes.
2. Okay.
Yes. Now go into the back chest, this back one, the small one in the very back here, and grab 1 mint shard, and do the same thing.
I know I'm a picky eater, but still.
One of 3 fresh defense.
Yes. So
Nice.
as we go along, we will get those up hopefully, but for right now, we're just at least getting the base one started with on
Okay.
those. Because they are going to help. The fresh defense especially is going to help with stuff that has infection, if I remember right. Let me take a look here. Fresh defense, gas resistance, burn resistance, and sizzle protection. So that's something, especially right now, what we need to use for what we are doing.
Okay.
And the spicy, where's the spicy? Spicy safety, stabbing resistance and smashing resistance. Okay. Well, that's not exactly the one we wanted. We just really wanted the fresh defense. Oh! Okay. So, Chris, the last thing that you and me are going to do tonight, before we stop this, is we're going to get the other half of coup de grace done. Okay? Because it's going to be simple and easy. We just got to do it.
Okay.
Zach already did it.
Okay.
Because that was like in our first, 2 playthroughs or something like that? One of the first 2 playthroughs that we went and did that while we were fucking doing something else. So,
Okay.
and that's going to increase our chances of hitting critical hits, basically. And
Oh, okay.
Random, you're muted if you were
I am
trying to
not.
talk. Okay.
I just wasn't talking.
That's why I said if. I was gonna say if you were trying to talk. So before we're done tonight, we gotta go get the other half of the coup de grace because you didn't wait for us on that time.
Didn't wait for you. What?
The coup de grace.
Coup de grace.
Oh yeah, you guys gotta go
Remember
get the other
we-
coup de grace. Cause I was over there,
Yeah.
and so I was like, hey, since I'm here, coup de grace.
Exactly. So that's the last thing that me and Chris are gonna do is get the last of that.
Well, we also have 2 tips to turn in,
Well, yes.
but
Which you could do that while we were doing it, actually.
well, no,
Is
because
it really-
there's story that goes with those that he talks, and you guys can't hear him from far away.
Oh, yeah, that's true. That's
Yeah.
true.
Gotta give the people the story.
Let's see here.
But I kind of want to
yeah.
do the Coltana now.
Well, yes, that wasn't the point of what I was making, but
No, I was
We're
just
gonna
saying
do.
that's what I want to do. That's what I want to do.
yeah. Let's see here. Do we have? We have none. Okay, so I'm gonna make. Ah, that's fuck so bad. Okay. All right. I suppose.
We need an acid.
Oh, you're
gland.
making it. You're making a stove, huh?
I can't.
I know. But just leave it there so that it's there.
Yeah.
Because you're gonna need clay for it too, right?
We have enough clay. It's everything else we don't have.
Weevil here.
I just used clay, so there you go.
Yeah,
And
we need.
do have
and-
acid glands.
No, I've destroyed all mine.
Well, I destroyed all mine, but I thought we kept some in the one of the chests, though.
I've destroyed every single piece I've collected.
Well, shame on you.
But yeah, it's just a single acid gland. We'll get it from anything. It's the boiling gland that we need to
No.
worry about.
Yeah. Hmm.
Because what I wanted to
So
do
what's our
was,
plan?
was try to make the thing that helps with burning so I don't get that, but we'll just rush through. We're going back up to the charcoal area.
Okay.
I
Brings-
actually hold on.
Is it bring some
Going
food
to-
with you?
I do have some.
Oh, come on, really?
I am cooking a piece of weevil meat on the left.
I need to go kill 3 or 2. I need to go kill some bees.
Why? What are you trying to make?
The stinger spear.
That's what I want.
So we need to go kill. Okay, let's go kill some bees first. Get the stinger spear so that when we go and grab the Coltana, we have the right weapon for the job.
Or is it?
Because
Are
that's
they?
the one we're gonna need, isn't it?
Are they stabbing?
What is it that attacks us there?
The ladybird larva.
Stab, 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 stab.
The stabbing. Stabby, stabby, stab. Stab, stab, stabby, stab then. Stab, stab.
It's like two. There's like 2 bees above the base right now.
Yeah, too bad
F.
they don't care. They don't
Right.
care about. Look, hold on. You have an arrow, right? Shoot it.
I do, but
Bring
we
it
never
to us.
we never peeped a ladybird larva.
Oh, by the
Yes,
way,
they did.
that's for you. Those are the 2 arrows I found.
Antline. Oh, there it is. I just went over it. It's stabbing and fresh. Yep. So where
Right
is it?
below
where's
your
his-
feet.
where-
Right
where
below,
does this be?
right below your feet. Grab those.
I already had arrows.
Yes, but those are the ones that you. So that guy right over there, but he's now long gone. He was right above us. Yeah, but alright. I guess we'll go
Hang on,
back to
hang
where
on,
we're
hang on,
supposed to go.
Hang on, hang on, hang on.
But-
Let's stop moving so much,
okay.
guy. Got him.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you did. Come at me, bro! Ow! Yeah.
Nice.
One? Are you serious? I can't even make one with this.
It'll be over there if you can hit him.
God damn it.
That one's too far away.
So we need
That guy's flying away.
9. No, 6.
9.
7, 8, 9, 10. We need 11 bee bus.
Ah, he moved right as I fired.
Yeah. I was like, there's no way. That guy's so far.
That's why I was trying to angle it. I was trying to arch it, and he just, as I fired, he moved.